The Smart Review presents the 5 best portable washing machine. Let's get started with the list. Starting of our list at number 5. Midea May 50S 1102 GPS. The Midea May 50S 1102 GPS is one of the best portable washing machines we reviewed because it features an easily transportable design, numerous wash settings and convenience features that make it an excellent choice for small spaces. The washer comes with all the right accessories that allow you to use the machine even if your apartment or house doesn't have standard washer hookups. This mini washing machine is small and lightweight, so you can store it in a closet when it's not in use. Coming of our list at number 4. The laundry alternative Nina Soft Spin Dryer. This unit is rather lightweight and reasonably quiet given what it does spins extremely quickly to pull out water from your clothes. It functions in only 2 or 3 minutes, 1800 RPM spin speed, weighs only 15 pounds, much lighter than other spin dryers. Unique built-in tall handle allows for easier transportation and less crouching. Attractive design with new lever-free procedure and self-opening lid. It joins to any 110V outlet with 12 pounds capacity for dry laundry, much gentler on the clothes than a standard dryer, so your clothes will last longer. For more information, check out the description underneath the video. Halfway of our list at number 3. Panda XPB36 Small Compact Portable Washing Machine. This Panda washer with spinner is completely portable, suitable for caravan, picnics, short trips, for house, condos and apartment using. It is one of the best-selling washer machine on 2015. It is very easy to use and does a great job cleaning. This little washer is amazing, and the fact that it has a built-in spin dryer puts this product over the top. If you use the machine every day or nearly that, you won't have big piles built up. Nearing the top of our list at number 2. Haier HLP21N Pulsator 1 cubic foot portable washer. This washer is perfect for a small apartment. The machine itself works very well. It washes the clothes more gently and quietly than regular washers. The portable and compact 1.0 cubic foot washer has 3 electric controlled water levels and 3 wash cycles for the perfect load every time. The stainless steel tub holds up to 6 pounds of clothes, which is perfect for baby clothes, delicates or a smaller wash. The Quick Connect Sync adapter is easy and included with your installation kit. When you're all done, just roll the washer away into a closet with included casters. And coming in at number 1 of our list. Haier HLP24E 1.5 cubic feet portable washer. The Haier HLP24E is a portable washing machine that can easily fit in a small apartment or home and effectively clean your clothes, even if you don't have washer hookups. This washer comes with a faucet adapter, which allows you to attach the machine to a kitchen or bathroom sink so you can quickly start washing clothes. Its lightweight design makes it easy to move from room to room or even up a flight of stairs without too much of a headache. It also has numerous wash settings and features, giving you versatility when you wash your clothes. For more information, check out the description underneath the video. Thanks for watching our video. For more, subscribe to our channel.